haven't driven my car since I done the work. So this will be the first test drive since we done the work to the wheels, which is the control arms. But anyways, we finna hit the road. Let's see. This is my new key now. Doesn't have the Mercedes symbol, just the aftermarket key, but gets the job done. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, we back. Stop playing with us. We is back. I'm finna give my baby a little wash real quick because she ain't been washed or rinsed in a minute. She's still kind of clean. I wiped her down the other day, but I ain't really get in there with the pressure washer. So that's what we about to do right now. I got the car wiped down, but it's still wet. So I'm about to go by Nick's and see if I can wipe it down. But I'm also listening to see if I can hear any clunks or rattling from the control arms that we replaced, me and Shane. But I don't hear nothing. All right, look at my wheel. You see how my wheel's crooked? So I need an alignment for sure. But we finna go to Nick's house. We gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to an alignment shop up the road and see if they can do the alignment. And if so, how much it's gonna cost. Look at that Chrysler. That's like a 2013, 2012. Look at the POV back in the Benz though. Yeah. All right, made it to Nick's house. Got the food in my car. Yeah. I need to wipe it down though. What you doing, Tato? You in the sun looking all pretty? Where Dada at? Oh, there he is. What up? Wow, open the gate, Tato. And we out of there. Now we off to the alignment shop. Let's see what they say. Look at my baby girl. Yeah. All right, this is one of the shops right here. We're gonna stop right here and see what they're talking about. See what they think, how much they're gonna charge or whatnot. All right, y'all, look, this is, she about to get inspected. Not inspected, finna get an alignment now. 120. So they said 120 for all the wheels, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the 120 for all the wheels. All right, guys, look at my baby up there. Gonna get her a little alignment. Hopefully everything lines up. All right, so we got the paperwork, and they charged me pretty much $100. Pretty much $100, and they said that, so the front left is good, the front right, they tried to get it as close as they could, but they couldn't get it all the way because they think the spindle is broke. Also, they said the back they couldn't do at all because the bracket is broke. Really, all they really did was, I guess they just did the left side, and then they tried the right. So yeah, needless to say, it didn't get fixed. The steering wheel looks a little better, but I guess it's better than nothing. So I have to get this fixed before I can do it again. And then when I come back, I gotta pay them another $100 just for them to do that all over again. Bruh, I should have waited, but I really just wanted them to get it in there and tell me what all I needed to fix before I got it done, but they said they couldn't do that. They said they couldn't get up there and do it, so I don't know. Daddy back home. Yeah. Boo-boo. What you doing, boo-boo? You was sheeping, huh? Yeah, you was sheeping. I can tell. Look at all these shoes. I need to go put these shoes up somewhere. I just don't know where I'm gonna put them. They're all old shoes. Shoes that I don't wear anymore. Some of them are kid shoes too, that I got at like Goodwills and garage sales and stuff. These my young boy wops. Yeah, I got a young boy wop on them. Yeah. This room's tore up. It's got so much stuff everywhere. I was gonna put these on the bins. I don't know if I'm still going to or not. They got brand new tires on it. Each one's got brand new tires on it. It started to get dark on me. Looking better. Well, I got a little light right here. Let me turn the light on. Oh, it is on. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, look at the light glisten out that Mercedes is simple. What up, gang? All right, we about to go. I just ordered some food from Domino's and we're about to hit the road and go pick up my pizza real quick. All right, we out. I ain't drove my car all day today. Oh, it said it's ready for pickup. Boom. Bang. Because we here already.